All right, good morning, Bears. It's week 6. Today is the 28th of April. Hey, there's a lot of cool stuff online. There's usually this California Conference for the Advancement of Ceramic Arts. It's happening, it typically happens the first weekend in May, and it's put on by I think UC Davis, which has a really good program, good ceramics program, well-known ceramics program for college students. But there's there are going to be 2 or 3 days worth of programming online. You can get studio visits and stuff like that, artist talk. There's 2 artists in particular, Kevin Snipes and then John Toki. Both have some interesting work and might be worth checking out if you have some time. And the link for that is on the Canvas main page, homepage, on the slides. Then there's also Lindsay Montgomery. That's happening today at 12:30, and that's a visiting artist lecture series put on by San Diego State. And so there's also a Zoom code for that, or you could look up San Diego State ceramics and probably find it pretty easily. So kind of things that you can take a look at, take your mind off of whatever else is going on if you need a little break and the time fits in. I put some bags of clay in the front office. So I went in on yesterday, put in some 2-pound bags, and they're just wrapped and taped closed, and I wrote the number 2. Those are about 2 pounds, and then there are some that are about 4 pounds, maybe some close to 5, and those are just labeled with a 4+. So school's open 10 to 1 tomorrow, and then I'll leave that clay out also next week and see what it is. About 11 of you said yes, you'd like to work with clay, so here's your chance. If you grab some, use the tools that you have, right? A fork, paper clips, and plastic knives, spoons. Your fingers work well. Make stuff. If you're going to take it though, please document it. Take some pictures along the way. If you come up with something that you really want to fire, then save it, let it dry out slowly, and we can figure out some details. Email me if you're in that situation. There was one person that said they would want clay but wouldn't be able to get to campus, and I didn't capture names on that form. So if that's you, send me a message, and we'll see what we can do about getting the clay to you. So that's about it. Workbooks. We got animals this week. I put a couple resources on there for just some simple drawings, remind you about the visual alphabet, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll be on a couple times this week for just some open Zoom time, and I hope you all are doing well. I wish you the best, and yeah, I guess that's about it. All right, take care.